Hello, welcome back to Pure on the Road. I'm Sam Marasini here at Cisco Live 2022 with Brian Farrar. Brian,
man.
what's up, man?
Thank you, Sam, for having me. This is the greatest show I've been to in like 2.5 years.
I love that. All right, let's step back a second because there's a lot going on in this booth behind
Absolutely.
us, which includes this really long strip of gaming and places to hang out and charge things up. But tell me what's going on in the booth.
So first of all, we are one of the prime sponsors, one of the premier sponsors of Cisco Live.
Yep.
We have, for the first time, and it's representative of the status that FlashStack has achieved with Cisco, we've got one of the largest booths on the trade show floor. We have
In that booth is a FlashStack.
a full functioning FlashStack.
That's cool.
Plus 4 or 5 demo pods with our stories about Portworx and about FlashStack as a service and about infrastructure as code. All the cool solutions that we're talking about here at the show.
So that's going on. There's also a skybox up above that thing back there where we're having customer meetings, along with some other meeting spaces here for us. And we also have a theater in there. So what's been happening inside that theater?
Well, we've been having wonderful presentations from our expert engineers and also from our partners. So it's been about 50-50 pure engineers and partners giving presentations on their particular areas of expertise.
I love that. And when you say partners, it's Veeam, it's Red Hat, it's Cisco that's been a part of this. It's Intel. It's all of the partners that are helping us from an alliance point of view build the solutions and get them to you, our customers, and ultimately to our partners to deliver that extra value on top of that.
Well, absolutely. We actually have had a lot of our channel partners stop by and talk with us to customers.
I'm looking at a whole bunch of them here as well, which is really cool.
We're in prime territory for that. Obviously, see WWT there, Insights down there, SHI stopped by earlier.
All over.
Oh yeah, even guys from Canada were stopping by saying, "Hey, let's do a Cisco Pure Veeam Roadshow in Canada."
That's exactly what
Absolutely.
they said.
All right, this has been very exciting.
So I see a bunch of people over here hanging out now. Simple, flexible, agile. That's the big push around FlashStack.
Absolutely. We're starting, as we describe it to people, it is hard to make something simple. And the joint engineering that's gone into making FlashStack as simple as it is just incredible. And we are, for example, the first vendor to have an integrated container solution with Cisco UCS and Cisco Intersight, their management console.
That sounds like an awesome Cisco validated design, or Pure
Absolutely.
validated design.
Absolutely, and certainly we have one.
There you go, a good little segue.
You bet. We've got a CVD for it. Describes step by step how to implement that, and it is kind of stolen the show. Containers are hot.
Containers are absolutely hot.
And none of our competitors seem to own a container platform.
Well, you got the container space, but then you also take Pure Data Services and stack it on top of Kubernetes.
You bet.
And now you have the ability to do the database as a service.
Absolutely.
Integrating those open source database platforms.
Channel partners can do that. It's
Absolutely.
wonderful.
There is a ton there across the board. I don't know where to start because there's so much happening here. So if you happen to be at the show, come by. We're giving away some great stuff. We got some orange light up yo-yos. We got some
walk the dog. If those of a certain age, you remember that trick.
I love it. So lots happening here at Cisco Live. Lots going on in the booth. Now you had a presentation in the booth.
Just presented in the booth. Yeah, we talked a little bit about. Well, speaking of yo-yos, there's that round the world trick.
Yes.
Well, we were talking, went around the world in the booth about the exciting things that we're showcasing today.
Absolutely, and getting customers to come and hang out with us, and also our partners to help bring that value. So lots happening from Pure. Huge here at Cisco Live 2022. We hope to see you. If not, head to that flashstack.com. You're going to find all of the latest details from FlashStack there. Brian, my guess?